Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about some three-toned crochet faux locks. If you're interested, stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's have a look at these faux locks here. These are crochet locks, pre-looped crochet locks, three-toned crochet locks, 24 strands in each bundle. This is one bundle here. This is how they look up close. And you have 5 packs that come with one order. Also a crochet hook needle, a wooden crochet hook, latch hook needle, crochet needle, whatever you want to call it. That's 4 packs right there inside of the bag, and a 5th pack right there. I did the Brianna Tahari method. I believe that's her name. Found the link in the description box if you would like to see more in-depth tutorial on how to install using her method. I basically made 7 plaits on each side of my head and just crocheted the locks in wherever I saw fit, leaving some of my hair out and doing individuals in the front. Now, Brianna, I believe in her video, she did a different type of individual in the front. Of course, I chose another individual method where you just part the section in half, put a lock on one half of the section, and braid your hair, 3-strand braid, leaving the lock out. And once you braid it, that anchors the crochet lock to your head. And then I just wrap my hair around here just because you don't have to do that. But after that, you can get some Marley hair or some Afro kinky hair and just wrap all the way down until your end of your hair is no longer in sight. Wrap past your hair and use whatever seal method. I used fire, and then after that I held it in a ball to make the waves come back, and that is it, y'all. So like I said, if you want to know more in depth of how I installed the locks, do check out Brianna's method. The link is in the description box. Also, for this hair here, if you would love to order this particular hair here, the link for this hair is in the description box. Okay, support your girl and order a full set. So one order does come with 5 packs and a crochet hook. Okay, one order comes with everything you need. Very, very, very light hair. That's what I love about it. Very light, extremely light, not heavy. I used all 5 packs of hair, and yeah, that is pretty much it about this hair, you guys. It doesn't shed or anything. So yeah, do check it out. The link is in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.